Hello and welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and this April 22nd is Earth Day. Over 1 billion people around the world come together and celebrate Earth Day, promoting awareness for the health of our environment. So I put together a little picture to show how much we love Earth, our home. The first thing you're going to do is draw a circle. Once you have that down, now we'll fill in the land. You could make it really easy on yourself and just do a little squiggly line on the right and the left and leave a space in the middle, or kind of looks like I did a turtle head coming down into a leaf. That's South America. And on the other side, I have Europe coming down, looks like a person's profile, coming into Africa. I threw a little island in off Europe, and you can put in a little triangular shape at the top for Greenland, and you're good to go. Now we're going to draw the smile on the earth. So in the middle of it, I want you to draw me the letter U. This is the top of the mouth, and then do another one connecting the sides. We'll color in the inside of the mouth and make it dark. On the corners of the mouth, you can add a slight little U as well. Makes it look like it's giving a really big grin. And then 2 little dashes for eyes. It's like the eyes are closed. It's so content. And I added 2 little upward lines like eyebrows that adds just a little more expression. Now let's put the sun in. It's going to come just behind the earth. So if you draw a circle, we'll erase the lines that go across the earth. Let's throw in some sunglasses. So by making 2 lines that are slightly curved at the top, a little deeper curve at the bottom, we'll get a nice little shape in our sunglasses. I'm making mine so it comes just a little bit outside the circle. We'll color those in black, or you can do that at the end. Make another curved line for the nose, and then in the opposite direction, now we'll create the mouth for this sunshine smiling nice and big. And let's give this sunshine some rays. So as you move around the sunshine, have those lines go directly out first. I have some long ones and some a little shorter. This is optional. But if you want to make those rays stand out a little bit more, you can draw a line that matches it, that's parallel to it, right beside it, and move your way around the sunshine that way. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a little ring, very lightly, right around the earth. But don't draw the line across the earth. I can add a few little hearts in different sizes right around the ring, showing how much we love our home. And now we're ready to color. As you color this in, take a darker shade to outline the earth and outline the landmass, and you'll have 2 shades at the end. Do the same with the sunshine and the same with the hearts, and it will pop off the page just a little bit more. Thank you so much for doing another Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and this Earth Day, find a way in which you can contribute to making our Earth a healthier place. See you again.